my name's Wesley, and are they doing construction on that stupid road again? Welcome back to another one of my videos. I just want to start this one out by saying it is almost Christmas, and how did that even happen? Where has the time gone? Here I told myself, oh, you got tons of time to be filming Christmas videos, and here I am, and it's almost Christmas, and I've only filmed three, and I've only filmed 3. Anyway, thank you everyone for watching my last video. I'm sure you all enjoyed it and that your faux mantles are looking amazing. And if they're not, well, I don't have to go to your house, so that's your own problem now, isn't it? Personally, I have less than 20 shopping days and I don't want to go to the mall. So here I am making gifts last minute. Now fortunately, these are gifts for people we don't like, so I don't need to put in much effort and they don't have to take a long time. You could order those people a gift online, and that's just going to cost you a lot of your own money. Yeah, everyone's got stuff online. Oh, this is $1, but shipping's like $37. Now, I run my own online Etsy business, so I know about shipping, and if you get the right person at the post office, they're willing to squeeze something big through that little slot and charge you $2, and it's awesome. But if you get the wrong person, they charge you $15 to send something that's just a little bit thicker than a letter. Like, I could squeeze it through the slot, just let me try. Just let me try. By the way, did I mention I have an Etsy shop? You should probably be going there and spending at least $1 million. Thanks. And if YouTube asks, that was not a paid advertisement, that was me advertising for myself. I paid myself nothing. So here you are, 5 days before Christmas, and you need a gift for someone you don't like. This could be anyone. It could be your lawyer, someone at work, your spouse, a kid, a friend, who knows? Either way, here you are and you need a gift quick. It doesn't even have to be nice. You don't like the person anyway. But if you were making a gift for someone that didn't like you, well, that's different. You gotta get them something really nice so then they feel guilty about not liking you. So having said all that, let's make gifts for people we don't like. Again. So the first step to any good project is to put on an apron. But if you're like me, first you're going to want to take your jar of ornaments and drop it on the floor. I feel like the shattered glass really helps add to the Christmas spirit. So today, we're going to be making painted wooden decorations for people we don't like. Now the fun thing about this is that they can be whatever you want them to be. This one's a photo frame with a heart cut out of it. Ooh, nice. I wonder who's gonna go in there. This one's a Christmas tree. Now the fun thing about giving someone a Christmas ornament for Christmas is that they usually get it much too late in the season to be of any use till next year. So you've given them something that not only is really pretty, but they gotta put it in storage for at least another 300 days. So good luck with that. That's like giving someone what else is a bad gift to give someone? Cigarettes? No one likes an addiction for Christmas. Oh, Christmas tree. This is pretty thin. It's like, oh. This isn't even real wood. It's just a picture of wood printed on there. That's so cheap. Perfect. The other fun thing about them is that they're big and clunky. So when it comes time to display them, they're going to take up lots of room in this person's home. And that's a-okay with me. So I'm just going to start by opening these up and then painting them a color. Okay, here we go. There's not even glass in this. I guess that's cute. I don't know. Oh, baby feet. We're just gonna turn that around. This tag, I'm gonna take this off. Get out of here with this. That can go here. Good. Already, we're having a fun time. So because this is last minute, I'm also gonna make them both at the same time. Oh my god, 2 crafts at once. Ah, I can't handle it. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna be just fine. It's 2 crafts at once. I'm gonna start by painting this one red and giving this one a whitewash so it can have that fun vintage farmhouse feel that everyone loves. Except me, I hate farmhouse. Why does everyone want to live on a farm all of a sudden? I went to a farm once. It was kind of gross. Although the animals were cute. I love a good animals. Here we go. Ooh, yes. That's looking chic. Maybe this is a gift for someone you don't like that really likes you. They just can't get the hint. This could be the solution to all your problems. That person in your life that keeps inviting you to things and you keep saying no, but they keep inviting you to things and stopping by your house and trying to hang out with you, that person, this could be the thing that gets rid of them. This could also backfire quite terribly. What if they really like it? Now that, stupid brooches. Now that looks red. Some of you may notice I haven't painted the sides. That's because these are gifts for people we don't like. I'm not wasting my time on that. For this one, I'm going to start by putting in some little flecks of green and then giving it a whitewash. Brown, no. Do I even have green paint? Oh yeah, green paint. It's called Pine Needle. Pine Tree. This thing practically writes itself. Ooh yeah, that looks great. Everyone loves this. So I'm going to add a lot of water to this paint. Green wash. Green wash is good for anything, even cars. No, don't wash your car in green wash. You'll be very upset with me. Green wash is just green paint and water. It's not like green juice so you can drink it. Don't be drinking it. Can you drink paint? Will you be okay? Let me know in the comments if you can drink paint and will be okay. Ooh, so green. Is it just me or does that look like a tree? Better look like a tree. Ooh, green edges. Who doesn't love green edges? The kids in town, I heard them talking and they said green edges were all the rage. Woo, green edges. Like green eggs and ham, I will not eat them. So while my other one dries, I'm gonna take a pencil and write a festive saying on the front of here. Now, if this were a gift for someone I liked, I probably would cut out some vinyl letters on Cricut, or maybe even come up with a stencil and do some fun lettering. But because this is gifts for people we don't like, I'm just gonna freehand it. Wow, that looks great. Now that this is dry, I'm gonna give it a whitewash. If I can find my white paint. Here we go. All right, well that dries. I'm gonna move on to my next step, which is to write something on the front of, this. So I gotta wait for it to dry. Damn it. Stand still. As you can see, my wash has turned out so perfectly. Now that's what I call farmhouse chic. All right, so now that this is perfectly dry, I can begin to write a fun saying on this. So now that I've drawn in my sayings, I'm just gonna go over them with some paint. And for my tree, because I'm doing a green Christmas, I'm gonna use mint green paint. Oh, that's calming. Whoa, that letter got a bit weird. And that's okay. If anyone says to you, why does that look weird like that? What is this weird thing you've given me? I don't like this. You just tell them it's folk art. All right, so now that everything's painted in, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Ooh, Merry Christmas. And for this one, I went a bit more trendy. Merry and bright. No, not you, we did that joke already. Now, I still don't really know who this Merry and Bright everyone keeps mentioning is. So if you know, let me know. Wow, these both look really good. And if I were Michaels, I would definitely throw a $50 price tag on each of these and put them up for sale. All right, so now that I'm done painting everything, I can move on to my next step, which is to embellish all of these things with some stickers. So I thought I had a lot of Christmas stickers, but it turns out I don't. So I'm gonna improvise. Put some dinosaurs on this one. Ooh, put a mermaid on here. So chic. All right, now that my stickers are done, I can then glue these inexpensive shatterproof ornaments to my project. For this one, I'll be making pine fronds out of green construction paper. So they're kind of this shape. And then I'm just gonna go through and cut a bunch of little sprigs. Ooh, yes. And be very careful not to cut the other ones, because that'll be the worst. Look how wonderful that's turning out. Looks like a tree to me. And I'm just gonna fold them a little bit, make them look a little bit more tree organic-like. All right, I'm just gonna glue that down. And now I can begin to attach my inexpensive shatterproof ornaments. Alright, so now that I've done that, let's show you how they turned out. Oh wow, that's so cool! That's all ready to be wrapped up and sent out. People are gonna think that you spent like $87,000 on that, but really, it's largely made from supplies from the Dollar Tree. Oh wow! This one's so cool! But wait! Something's missing! That's right, I haven't put a wonderful picture inside of it. Now normally when giving someone a photo frame, the nicest thing you can do is to take out the photo inside and put the biggest photo you can find of yourself. And if I was giving this gift to someone I liked, I would totally find a nice close-up of my face and put it in there so they can have a wonderful daily reminder of how wonderful I am. So for this project, I've decided to take these gift tags and put a photo of Santa inside. Just gonna cut off this to and from so no one's the wiser. Oh, now that does it. That's beautiful. Oh, wow, so professional. Now that looks like a gift you would have bought in the store, and the friend you're giving it to will never suspect that you don't like them or that you made this last minute for under $10. As usual, here's some footage of everything close up. Hello, my name's Wesley. Wait, didn't we do this part already? We did. Apparently, in all my holiday excitement about gifts for people we don't like, I forgot to record an ending to this video. So, I'd just like to take this time to say thank you so much for watching, you had an excellent time, and you'll be back in the new year to see what sorts of fun content I can come up with. So until then, have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and stay safe. That's all. Bye! Hey, get off the table!